Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaya, and if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And welcome to Craftmas episode 1. Can we get a little commotion for the cardigan? A little commotion. She's tea, she's taking it, you know me. Let's go ahead and crochet some home decor, room decor, Christmas decor. I did this whole video earlier, hated it, but I was like, I still gotta get my girls right. Better late than never, better something than nothing. This is my second year doing Craftmas. So if you're new to Craftmas, hey girl, we just crochet girlies making cute stuff during Christmas time. Not necessarily all Christmas themed, but just creating during Christmas time. So hey girl, welcome. You could be a craft bestie too. Y'all remember I asked y'all, I was like, should I make it longer? I done added tassels, made it longer. It's tea, I love it. Get y'all drinks. We giving cozy evening vibes. We about to have a good crochet session. My drink of the day is, it's a sugar cookie coffee, medium roast. I have my cinnamon creamer. Real tea, real good. What are you drinking this winter? Tell me y'all winter staples, drinks. I need some new coffee recipes. I'm a hot coffee girly, so keep that in mind. You might be wondering, you probably not wondering because I ain't tell you nothing, but I've been seeing these little bow garlands on TikTok. I want to do that. I had this whole other garland. I had all this little decoration stuff. It was ugly. I still got some on the wall. I'm just too lazy to take it down. I added my little lights. I feel like it was cute, but the garland was ugly. One thing about it, if you're a crochet girly, don't go buy no decorations you know you could just make and make it 10 times cuter. Just make your decorations. Trust me, just make them. Don't go buy nothing. Go with your first mind. I was like, ooh, I'm gonna crochet a garland sometime down the line. But you know what I did? I just went bought one and it came out ugly. So let this be your sign. Just crochet it. Don't just save the time. Crochet it, make it, call it a day. And yeah. Y'all, why did my little sister trying to make me feel old for liking Brat still? She was like, that's so 1980s. I was like, boo, this is 2000s. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. That evening coffee is always gonna hit better than that morning time coffee. I don't know what it is. So I found a tutorial on TikTok, so I'll link it below. And I just searched up easy bow. I'm not necessarily making a garland. Y'all know I gotta always add my own little spin. Can't never do nothing by the book. I already started making these little bows. Isn't that cute? We got white, we got red, and I'm making green ones. I feel like it'll be fun to just start Craftmas off with like a cute little sit down cozy evening video. So as y'all can see, I added these little reindeers over here, and I also got these little boneless trees from Dollar Tree. They are so cute to me, and they boneless. This little doorbell thing. Back on topic, this is why I don't drink my coffee then start recording, because I just be all over the place. So I have an idea to add the bows like this. It's gonna be like semi garland theme, but like we just gonna have the little bows just everywhere. The thing I see on TikTok, their bows was together. Honestly, I'm not really specific about how I like decorations and stuff done. I know me, and when it's something that I'm looking at all day, like this is my crochet room, my craft room, we manifesting. When I'm looking at this all day, I gotta look a certain way or I'm not gonna like it. I don't know how many I need, so we just gonna crochet a whole bunch of them. Just vibe, get your hook, get your project, and let's get ready. It's December 1st. We're all gonna have a great month. We're gonna have a blessed month. We're gonna have an abundant month. We're gonna have a protected month, and we're gonna wrap the year up the right way. Okay, come on girl. Okay bestie, y'all gonna be sick of me in this little area because I'm just about to be right here every time. Girl, I might not ever take these little lights down. I'm thinking about making this other area my other little crochet area, because I feel like that'll be cute. So I'm thinking about getting like a clothing rack and just adding all my little crochet pieces on there, because girl, my closet, I feel like it'll just be so cute to have all my crochet pieces out, because I be saying I don't have no clothes as if I don't be making clothes. So I feel like if I had the clothes out, I'll be more inclined to wear them. But I watched a cute little tutorial for these bows on TikTok, and I'm kind of just improvising. She had clear rubber bands, but I didn't. I'm so excited for Craftmas. Go ahead and let's talk about like how I want my routine to be for Craftmas. So I know for a fact that I cannot upload every day. It doesn't seem like sustainable for me, my routine and stuff. So I created Craftmas so that I could just upload crafty stuff throughout the month but still give y'all like the vlogmas vibes. Just me, it's me. I'm real spontaneous, unorganized. I'm like that type B little sister or big sister or auntie. Not auntie, boo. I don't really give auntie status. I give big sister or little sister, maybe even granddaughter for some of y'all. I just look forward to creating so much this month. This the green little bow. I'm gonna upload as my heart desires. Usual uploading schedule is the weekend. I feel like all the girlies is at home relaxing and stuff, but for Craftmas, girl, I'm just gonna post a whole lot so y'all could just go ahead and binge watch it. I be enjoying reading y'all comments. Like, girl, whenever I'm bored or lonely or anything, I go read all y'all comments. In my head, we friends. Each one is just cuter and cuter. What are y'all working on? What is y'all winter plans? I don't really crochet by the season, and I started to realize that during fall. So all my whips kind of are seasonal. So I'm ready to show y'all my whips I'm about to start working on and stuff. What are y'all working on? Because I know some of y'all live in places that's cold. So like certain stuff y'all can't crochet or wear during this time. And girl, this how you do it. Bam, bada boom. Snap it. Ain't nobody gonna see the back. Cute. I got 3 reds, 2 whites, and I got 2 greens. Also, are y'all crocheting Christmas gifts this year? I don't really crochet Christmas gifts, and it's not for like no specific reason, because I'm sure if I did, everybody would love their gift. But it's one of those things to where, like, the type of crocheter from the family I am, I like to randomly give you something. I like to randomly make you something. I don't like telling people I'm gonna make them something. I don't know, girl. I'm like when it comes down to me making my family something or like friends or something, I might say, oh, you like this? And you probably won't get it till like months down the line. I'm one of those type of crocheters for people. Like, I don't want you to ask me for nothing, because it's a possibility you won't get it until I'm ready to make it, you know? And also, my toxic trait is when it comes down to people I'm close to, if you buy the yarn, I will make it. Only for family though. And only a select few family members have that luxury. But I will make it. Talking about this with somebody, and I'm like, yes, I will. Especially if you buy more than enough. Like, if they don't know what they buying, they might buy more than what you need. So that's when you gotta slide up in there and start saying, I need this or that. You know, you don't need that, but you got it now. So boom, boom. I could just go ahead and like glue them together. I'm not even a bow girly, but I'm really liking this, y'all. I got my little scrunchie I made in my head, but like, do I need like a little bow? Like, yeah, this is so cute. Let's make a whole bunch more. I don't know how many more I need, so as y'all can see, they came out so tea, so cute. Cuteness overload. We just can't take it. The dopamine is just seeping out of our pores. Real tea, real cute. Girl, let this, I'm always trying to say let this be a sign, like, but for real though, just crochet your Christmas decor this year. Don't go buy nothing. You can make this at home, boo. you can make this at home. This took a few hours. Sometimes it's like every time I have a vision, the crochet gods just be like, hold on, boo, we got something better for you. Something better. Just crochet corner is complete. Y'all, I've been thinking about getting like a cute comfortable chair to craft in. So if y'all got some good recommendations, let me know, because like I said, y'all know everything. I'm thinking clothing rack, and then I'm thinking a comfortable chair in here. And I feel like then my crochet craft room, craft corner, all that'll be complete. So yeah, we got our Christmas lights. I gotta go ahead and part ways with y'all. We on a crunch. We on crunch time. We gotta get the next video rolling. So I love you, and you know we go together what? Real, 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 real bad. Kisses, kisses, kisses. I'll see you when I see you. And this was a great episode of Craftmas episode 1. Real, real good. Not only that, y'all might see me with this cardigan on all month because it's so cozy. Bye, girl. Love you. Call you back later.